A very good evening to you all, guys. Let's wait for a few minutes, let everyone join the session, and we'll continue it.
जनरली आरती को मतलब नहीं बजाता हूँ।
Guys, let's wait for 1 more minute, then we'll start the session. All right, guys, let's start the session now. Just let me know I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today, guys, I'm going to talk about HTML, JavaScript. JavaScript is a the purpose of JavaScript and HTML and the web development, right? Then after this, I'm going to talk about layouts, right? Then the responsive HTML responsive layouts, right? And emojis are there. So let's start the session. So it's Java script, right? Here, script tag is used to define a client-side script, JavaScript, right? So we're talking about the script tag. Actually, guys, script element either contains script statements or it points to an external script file through the source attribute. Okay, so common use for JavaScript are image manipulation and like from validation and dynamic changes of content. Okay. Mm. Then select an HTML element. JavaScript most often uses the like document get element by ID method. Okay. Then mm, there is no script tag that defines an alternate content to be displayed to users that have disabled scripts in their browser. Okay, or have a browser that doesn't support scripts. Hmm, okay, guys, I'm gonna add like this is the basic JavaScript. I'm gonna write it over here just to display the date and the time, right? Now HTML. Let's open the body element. H1, my first JavaScript, and then button type. It's button. I'm gonna write basic JavaScript for you, like because after this HTML and CSS, I'm gonna tell you what is JavaScript, right? With few example codes, right? Demo codes. So after this, on click document.get element by ID, and here method is your demo, then period inner HTML and date. Hmm, method close. Let's say click me to display date and time. Then button close, and I'm gonna add paragraph with ID demo. Let's check it out. Let's find out the result, guys. So let's check it out, guys. This is 7:21 over here, 7:21 over here. It is 18 March 2021, Thursday, India Standard Time. Okay. So this is about JavaScript, right? And now let's do another example of this. Okay. Now let's do another example of this JavaScript. Like here, JavaScript can change the content. Okay. So my first JavaScript is this. Chat p tag. So JavaScript and change the content of an HTML element. Okay. Now chat button, the same thing. A type button, then on click. My here I'm gonna add button on click. After this, it's my function. Then click me. Okay. Button close. Then I'm gonna open the ID. It's demo. Okay. And let's say this says this is a basic code. Or let's say this is change content script. Okay. Now let's open the script. Function. My function. Here document.get element by demo. ID it's demo. In a HTML, and I'm gonna add hello JavaScript. Okay. Script close. Okay, that's how you guys can do it. Hello JavaScript. Okay, just change content script. Hello JavaScript. Okay. Okay, let's start the next code. Okay, guys, JavaScript can also
Sir.
change the style of an HTML element. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what you have written after this on click my function, this is not clear, and that also that my function, and inside that curly bracket, whatever you have written.
Okay. So you are from technical background or what? Just let me know first. Like who asked me this query? Just let me know.
Yes,
Ganeshta,
sir. This question, yes, sir.
right? First of all, see, like if we're talking about the JavaScript, so it's the world's most popular programming language, right? And secondly, we can say we'll teach you like JavaScript from basic to I'm gonna go to advanced, right? So these are the examples that I'm gonna use for the basic stuff, basic scripts. So you asked me what are these things? First of all, you said I wrote this on click and click, right? Let me tell you one thing, like this is the basic and the main method of this, like get element by ID method. Okay, that can change HTML content. Okay, guys, JavaScript can do so many things, like can change the color of the content, can change the value of the source attribute of an image, right? And can change HTML styles, also CSS. Okay, there are some elements. I'm giving you the basic overview of this JavaScript. I will cover up in the upcoming sessions. So this is the basic codes, right? These are the basic codes. Secondly, like we use JavaScript where? So here script tags, like code is inserted between the script open tag and the script close tag. Okay, first thing. And JavaScript function is a block. We can say, I'm coming to it, don't worry. I'm telling you each and everything. So you are new to the coding stuff.
Yes, sir.
You guys are new to coding stuff. Just let me know first. I'm just asking you.
Sir, I'm not familiar with JavaScript.
Okay. I'm telling you the basic things, right? So guys, first is your JavaScript functions and events, right? So it's a block of JavaScript code that can be executed when called for. Okay, first thing. Then let comes to the body part, like the head or body we use over there. Okay. So you can place any number of scripts in an HTML document. Like scripts can be placed in the body element. This. Okay, or in the head section of an HTML page, or in both. Like if you are adding head section over here, like head comes before the body element, after the HTML element, right? And guys, next thing, coming to the body part. So JavaScript function is placed in body section of an HTML element, and function is invoked or called, we can say, when a button is clicked. Okay. Now let me tell you about the scripts first. I'll tell you. Okay, just wait. Hold on a second. This is the 4th lecture today. We are having, I think, 20 lectures this month. I'm clearing you everything. So just be patient in my class so that I can clear everything. Okay. You asked me about the JavaScript. I'm explaining it to you. Guys, external scripts are practical, like when the same code is used in many, different pages. And for JavaScript files, we use the extension .js. Like this is the extension I'm going to use. We can use. Okay. For the JavaScript, this is a file extension. Okay. And script will behave as if it was located exactly where the script tag is located. Now let's talk about this on click in JavaScript. Okay, it comes in the React also. So guys, first of all, what is this on click in this? Actually, the JavaScript on click functions can be triggered by object, and on click or object add event listener means event occurs. On click JavaScript event occurs when the user clicks on an element, and it runs a specified line of code when you click a HTML object that has the on click attribute. Okay. Now it's okay. I told you each and everything about the on click and the function. Know about the button. Button is the purpose, like we are using. This is the way, like in JavaScript, we can write, we can use a button. I told you about the on click and the function also. About the script also, I told you how we use this. Anything else you want to know? I wrote about the element by ID function also, method how we use it. Anything left, just let me know.
No, sir. Now it's clear.
Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Guys, let me know if it's clear or not. What about others?
Clear, sir.
Okay, you want the code?
नेट गजब पे बैठा है मस्त
Okay, so let's move ahead, guys. We were on this. Hello JavaScript, right? Now, next code is here. ID demo. Okay, JavaScript can change the style of an HTML element, right? And script a function, my function document dot get element by ID demo. It says style Font size also, I'm gonna add font size 25 pixel. Okay, same thing I'm gonna add demo style color, it's red. Kindly mute the mic, guys. We're in class. Okay, then same demo style, background color, it's yellow, right? Close the script. Then button type, on click, my function, click me button over here. Let's check the output, guys. So you can change the CSS properties as well. Is that okay, guys?
Yes, sir, damn sure.
Okay. Now, moving ahead with these things, I'm gonna talk about. Okay, let me send you the code first. First, our print screen. Now, next topic is HTML layout, elements, and techniques. Okay. First of all, guys, let's talk about the HTML layout elements that are it's header, that defines header, defines a header for a document or a second is nav, finds a set of navigation links Then comes section. Finds a section in a document. Comes article. Finds an independent self-contained content. Comes aside. Finds content aside from the content, like a sidebar and footer. Finds a footer for a document. Section. Then comes your details. Defines additional details that the user can open and close on command. Then comes summary. Finds a heading